Imagine a solution that adapts to every environment, providing shade, comfort, and protection anywhere you go. Bulky shelters, complicated setups, and limited designs often make outdoor activities less enjoyable. What if there was something better? Introducing Adapter Shade.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow.
Designed for quick assembly and built to thrive in any setting, is the ultimate blend of simplicity and functionality. From family picnics to professional workspaces, this innovative solution is ready to transform your outdoor experience.
The paper products we are making in our organization. And yeah, these are some of the paper products we make. These are mushroom organization. We can just use it as a temporary stall, wherein we can place all our products for sales, and people can. It's very much attractive that way. We can hang lanterns here, and we can keep all the products in the inside the stall. I think it's very useful that way. That's what.
For like storytelling session, kids or something. Yeah, that can be playhouse.
పొల్యూషన్ చూస్తే మాకు ఎండకి నీటికి అంతా బాగుంటుంది.
ఇది షాప్ కూడా కావచ్చు,
షాపు ఎగ్జిబిషన్కి ఆడికి అంతా అన్ని జాగాల్లో యూజ్
నీళ్ళు చల్లగా ఉంటుంది.
నీళ్ళు చల్లగా ఉంటుంది, ఎప్పుడైనా కవర్ చేసి నీళ్ళు పెడితే చల్లగా ఉంటుంది, గాలి వస్తుంది. వెదరు ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ విస్తార్ అకాడమీ, ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ సెక్యూరిటీ వర్క్.
ಅದು ಗುರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷಿನ, ಅದು ಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕಂತ ಈ ಥರ ಬಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಲೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು. ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂತೈತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.